Okay, so this is how you do an oil change on your 79 ATC 70. You're going to need a 17mm ratchet or wrench, doesn't matter. And I have jack stands, so that way I can fit the oil pan under it. Step one, grab your 3-wheeler and put it on your jack stands, so that way you can fit your oil pan underneath the engine. Next, take off your oil cap and indicator. I put it there. Next, take off this bolt right there. It shouldn't be too tight. Then just let it drain. Okay, now that your oil is done draining, grab your drain plug and put it in the drain plug hole right there. I know, it's great. And then thread it in if you can. Okay, I got it in. Okay, then grab your ratchet and turn it to tightening and tighten up that bolt. Not too tight, just snug, and then a little bit more. And then grab your funnel, put it in there, and then this says it takes about 3/4 of a quart of 10W40. So you just kind of fill it until you think it's about 3/4, or you just get a quart. Alright. And then this has a check on this to see where your oil level is at. So you screw it in and then take it right back out to see where your oil level is at. Oh, we don't have it on there yet. Now I've got it filled up to where I need it. Okay, all the way in, then all the way back out. And then there, we're about at half. My camera will focus. Yeah, we're about at half. And they want me to put in a little bit of this engine restore stuff, just because we don't know how old the engine is. Well, we do know how old, but we don't know how it was ran before. So he just wants me to put just a little bit of engine restore in there. Yeah, just a little. Put your cap back on. And put this there. And drain it into the pan. Put it on. Take it right back off and check it one more time just to be safe. And we are still right in the middle, and that's right where you want it. Alright, tighten it up. Turn your fuel on. Put it to run. And then start it up. There you go.